What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to insert a SIM card on your S10 Max smartwatch. So if you have an S10 Max Android smartwatch that uses a SIM card, this video will guide you on how to properly insert your SIM card on your S10 Max Android smartwatch and set it up so that it works pretty well. First things first, right out of the box, your S10 Max smartwatch should come with a SIM card ejector that looks just like this one over here, and sometimes it might actually come with a SIM card ejector that looks just like this one. Now basically what you want to do is to go ahead and locate the SIM card tray on your S10 Max smartwatch, and most of the time it is actually on the left hand side over here. So you can literally see this. It is actually where you insert your SIM card. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and get your SIM card ejector tool. If you actually have the one that looks just like this one over here, you want to go ahead and just insert your SIM card ejector tool at the back of this little opening we have close to the SIM card tray. So you just want to insert it just like so. Make sure it actually enters, and then you want to pull it outward a little bit just like so. And at this point you should now be able to remove the SIM card tray from your S10 Max smartwatch. However, if your S10 Max smartwatch actually comes with a SIM card tray that looks just like this one, what you just want to do is to locate the pin that is usually on top of the SIM card tray over here, still on the left hand side of the S10 Max smartwatch. Once you insert this little pin inside of that little hole, this is actually going to pop up, and you should also be able to remove the SIM card tray just as we have removed it before. In most cases you're going to get a SIM card tray like this one, so just put it from the back over here, pull it upward, and you're good to go. Now to insert your SIM card, what you want to do, you're going to first of all notice the little cut we have over here on the SIM card tray, and also on our SIM card. This is actually a nano SIM card. You also notice that there is a little cut at the top over here, so you just want to go ahead and place it so that the cut on the SIM card actually fits the cut on the SIM card tray. So you just want to place it properly, and then go ahead and insert it on your S10 Max Android smartwatch. And one thing you have to take note of is that the SIM is not going to just start working automatically. What you want to do is to just go ahead and restart the smartwatch. So you want to long press on the power button over here, just long press on it for some seconds, and then you're going to see the rebooting or restarting option. Just go ahead and restart it just like so. And now the smartwatch is now properly turned on. And if you actually try to make a call with the smartwatch now, so if you actually come over here and try to make a call and then just click on the call icon over here, you should now be able to make your call on your S10 Max smartwatch with your SIM card and even receive calls without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.